quad core inside.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
Just welcome to Tech Notice. Apple just released new MacBook Pros. Well, kind of updated the lowest end of the 13-inch MacBook Pros, and I've got one over here. It was just released this week. Well, it depends where you're watching the video, but let's open it up and see what's different, because now apparently Touch Bar is a must, or it's just on all models. Let's check it out. So if you hear some weird noises, because I've got the window open because it's so boiling in here, but I'm excited to open this one up. It's quite a small box, and I'm quite excited to see what's inside, because it's been a while since I unboxed something from Apple. Okay, let's have a look. So inside here, as you can see, they've thought about everything. Look at that. You kind of have to show you this, or like pull them up and then the box comes up, so it's easier for you to take out. Brilliant. Here it is. This is the MacBook Pro 13-inch, as you can see over here already, the Touch Bar is on the model, and this is one of the lowest end models. But let's have a look what specs are there. So this is the 13-inch, like I said, Retina display, 2560 by 1600 pixels. This is the first one now that has the quad-core processors. So the old ones had dual-core, but this one has a quad-core Intel i5. 1.4 gigahertz as the base, boost up to 3.9 gigahertz, which is very exciting. 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabyte SSD, Intel graphics, 2 Thunderbolt 3s, and the rest of it is just, you know, the usual. The interesting thing is just Apple, the unboxing experience is just something special, and I just want to share it with you. But also, have I made a big mistake by buying or going with Apple? Let me know in the comment section below. Here's like a little arrow that says pull this way. They even like showed you how you're supposed to unbox the item. Okay, let's put this on the side. Am I doing it right? I should be. Okay, the box is open, and here it is. This is the space gray, not silver. Ooh, okay, very, very, very thin. Okay, so we've got a USB 3 cable, not USB 3, USB-C, both sides USB-C. Okay, we've got some, you know, instructions and some Apple stickers, hopefully. There we go. And then the charger, very, very compact, small charger. I quite like it. This is what the charger looks like. Just put the USB 3 over there. Is that all that's in the box? That's odd. Most of the box is just like emptiness, nothingness. Let's have a look at the laptop. So we've got the Apple logo over here. You know, you've seen some of the other ones. We have a headphone jack on the right side, and then 2 USB-Cs on the left side. And that's it. No card reader, no nothing. And inside the MacBook over here, we have the Touch Bar. Okay. Oh wow, it's already come on. Nice little screen protector, massive trackpad. But the thing that's new now with the new MacBooks is that, first of all, some of the inside changed. So because probably Mac or Apple realized that there's a lot of very powerful Windows laptops out there, and their Macs are probably overpriced for what you're getting, so they just updated inside. So now there's a quad core inside. So the processor inside has changed. Battery is probably still the same. Another thing that's changed is that the Touch Bar now is standard. You get it all on everything. So that's the type of unboxing experience you're gonna get. I don't think anything else has changed, so this is the lowest end MacBook Pro. But the interesting thing is that actually when you look at the specs on the processor, then when you go with the faster one, then the actual base clock is a little bit higher, but the boost clock speed of the processor is very, very, very similar. So I recommend you get this model if you want a MacBook Pro. So who is this laptop for, you know, I'm not going to do a review of this here, but you know, you're probably wondering, you know, why? You can do some probably light editing on this one, but not major editing. So if your main idea is to get some kind of editing laptop, I wouldn't go with this one. I would go with the Dell XPS 15, which some videos are coming out soon, and you've probably seen the unboxing. If you haven't, it's over there. But that laptop I can recommend. It's 10 out of 10, very, very powerful. It's more powerful than my actual big PC, editing PC that's over there. And I was very, very impressed. So if editing is this, I would probably go with Dell XPS 15. If you're looking for something maybe more like picture editing, and it's very important to get a very good screen and color accurate screen, then probably MacBook is the one to go if you don't need much more for the same price range. It's very small, it's very good trackpad, everything works very, very good. If you're more into video editing, like I said, go for Dell. So this is the experience. I'm quite excited and quite happy to like actually continue with Mac and Windows operating systems. So it's cool. So if you're interested in anything of this new one, or some of the any questions you have, just leave a comment below and let me know if I made a massive mistake by getting this laptop, or should I have got something else. Let me know in the comment section below. If you're not familiar with some of the latest laptop dramas that I have gone through, then check out some other videos on this channel. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you very soon. Okay, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Adios. Bye.